Relation. Today's topic is relation. What is relation? Relation is a kind of Cartesian product. Cartesian product means if A be a set of 1, 2, 3 and B be a set A, B, then A cross B is equals to 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Or we can say A is a set having elements 1, 2, 3, B is another set having element A and B. A is domain and B is A is domain and B is range. Then A cross B one A, 1B, 3A, 3B, 2A, 2B, and this is called ordered pair. Okay, and for the time of B cross A, for the time of B cross A, B is domain and A is codomain or range. Then B cross A is equals to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Now A cross 1 comma A is not equals to A comma 1. Here 1 is first element and A is second element, and for the A comma 1, A is first element, 1 is second element. Or we can say here 1 is domain and B is range. And in the next case, A is domain and 1 is range. Here A cross B not equal B cross A, but number of elements of A cross B equals to number of elements of B cross A. It means total number of elements in A cross B is equals to total number of elements in B cross A, but the elements are not equal. That means in the given example, A cross B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, and in the B cross A it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. So number of elements in A cross B is equals to number of elements in B cross A, but A cross B not equals to B cross A, because 1A is not equal to A1, 1B is not equals to B1, 2B is not equal to B2, and similarly for the other example. Now the question is, what is relation? Here relation is R, or we can say A cross B for the time of A cross B, and for the time of B cross A, here relation is R. And R inverse, here R inverse is B cross A. R inverse means B cross A. This one is R inverse. For the R inverse, in the R, 1 is domain and A is range, and in the R inverse, A is domain and 1 is range. Just for example, Suppose R equals to 1 2 1 3. Therefore R inverse equals to 2 1 3 1. For the R, 1 is domain and 2 is range. For the R inverse, 2 is domain and 1 is range. Just inverse. Domain is replaced by range and range is replaced by domain.